In DesignerLogic, you can hide the cost rate, bill rate, and extended charge columns if the user is not an admin user. To show this, we will go to the staff user section. And right now, I am logged in as an admin user. You can see in the admin column, it has yes, meaning I'm an admin user. So we're going to edit that particular user. And here you can see these two checkboxes, hide cost and hide bill rates. Now you cannot check those if the user is an admin user, because an admin user can see everything. So if you uncheck admin user, you now have the option to hide the cost and hide the bill rates to the client in the time module. So we're going to update that. And to make this active, you have to log out or have your user or staff member log out and log back in. So now we're going to log back in as a non-admin user. And when we go to the time tracking module, you can see that those cost rates and bill rates columns are completely gone. So as a non-admin user, I'm not able to see those at all. And that's very helpful because if you have people working at different bill rates, you don't always want people to see exactly what they are. And you might not want people to even see what their own bill rates are. Now this applies throughout DesignerLogic. When you go to a project itself, and we're going to go to the time tracking section for this project. You see that applies here as well. Those columns for the bill rates are gone for this non-admin user. And if we go to the phases of that project, you can see it's restricted view for the budget for time charges. Now the hours budget on a phase where you have a billable budget that you work towards with your time logs, that can be viewed, but the actual monetary value of those time logs are not viewable by a non-admin user who has those two boxes checked.